Wow, wow! Dami ka rin sa Surigao Port. Hello! Hello! BFF! This is our annual, what do you call this? Annual outing. And we're going to Siargao. Wow, 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 Siargao! Bye! See you on my next vlog. Wow, 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 wow! Ano katawa ka kayo? Maulan.
Hello, brother.
Una mabasa pa rin.
Ano, mauna ko.
Wala. Manalim pa tanan din, maglakaw na ni.
Magligo na. Sundo ka si Shakira ba?
Wow, 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 wow! Naata ka rin sa Siargao! Wow, wow, wow! Char. Ayan, so nag-prepare na me because we're about to get out. Kasi wala pa kaming lunch, guys, and it's 4:08 p.m. na. Oh my God, so look at Ira's face. Ayan, she's preparing. How about the dress? Can you flex it? Ayan. How about Ken? Ken? Ayan, Mars. Ayan, ang puti-puti ni Mars. How about Rexy? Hello, Rex. Ayan. How about Emmanuel? Oy, may pa-biceps po siya, mga kapamilya. And of course, BFF. Ayan, si BFF. Very Snow White ang atake ni BFF. Diba? Naka 24K SY Glow. Thank you so much, Mother Luke. Ayan, so we will be back with an update later kasi magpa-party tayo. Wow, 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 wow! Magpa-party! Wow, wow, wow! Ayan, guys, say bye to our vlog. Guys, say bye to our vlog.
Bye, bye.
Bye.
Matanggal na.
BFF, bye.
So masarap. Halika, Siargao. Ice cream. Located at? Located at? Siargao. Diba guys, sarap.
Bitaw.
Uy, oh, kay Kadugan, hindi ka makaliak. Sarap! Anak! Nakabalik pa rin. Kaunsa, pagbalik sa. Oo. Bago ka makapilapil.
Sa'yo naman natin yung kanina ka, sir ko.
Yeah.
Pila ka? Scoop. Ay, nakalibra.
Tulang daw, yung si
Tulang,
Madam.
okay. Musan.
Ba't ang gulis? Alam mo yung biscuit mo? Sino tawag ko ha?
Biscuit. Toasted caramel.
Ay, ko ay nakuha. Kami crumble. The guys are choosing theirs.
Ay, pwede yan.
So ano, so basic.
Salt and milk for you.
Okay, go.
Wait lang.
So, ira po.
Go.
Okay kayo.
Go.
Wow, wow! Ang sarap! Hello guys, good morning. So it's our day 2 here in Siargao. And wow, we're going to Corridor. Hello guys. Ayan, say hi to the vlog, everyone. Ayan. How about si Shubi? Hello Shubi. Ayan, ganda naman. See you in my next vlog. Bye.
See you later na lang.
Guys, so
Hello. Naantay na lang namin si Kuya Jepoy, guys, kasi pupunta kami ng Corridor.
naantay na lang namin si Kuya Jepoy. Nakadong ka kay Kuya Jepoy.
Oh, saan?
Ako si Kuya Jepoy.
Ako ba si Kuya Jepoy?
Say hi to the vlog, Kuya! Lo, tara si Kuya Jepoy. Ay, si Kuya Jem, na siya. Kuya Jemoy. Punta tayo doon. Nakikita nyo yon? Kami din. Down. Welcome to Siargao. Go.
Wow! Welcome to Siargao! Wow! Hello, it's me once again, and we're here in Siargao. Wow! Mga tutasa, Corregidor. So, guys, kumusta mo? Ay,
Ano? Dapat na nangingin.
ano dahil? Sige. And happy birthday, Cherry!
Cherry Pitangkor!
Birthday! So, nakanami karon dali sa Pambababot. It will take us 30 minutes, I guess. Nabot po.
Ganito ba kasi?
Gani. So guys, nice kayo ang dagat guys. As you can see, it's color blue.
Dili pa man na blue.
Bluish, pero okay, laban na ni guys. See you on my next vlog. Please, click the yellow button. Click the subscription. Bye!
Corregidor Island, Naked Island, Daco Island, and Cuyam Island. So by the way, ma'am sir, in Corregidor Island, our main activity is hiking activity po. 25 minutes hiking, ma'am sir, one way pa lang po yun. Okay po?
Yeah.
And then ma'am sir, by the way, in Cuyam Island, we have a highly recommended snacks. We have shakes, burger, fries, shots, tequila shots, ram shots, margarita shots, iced coffee, and beers, ma'am sir.
Iced coffee.
So ma'am sir, our first destination will be the Corregidor Island, and it's approximately 50 minutes away from here, 50 po. Okay po? Okay. So pwede kayo mag-group picture sa phone niyo, ma'am.
Hello, we are now here at Corregidor, and this is what we call the green carpet because of the color green of the grass. Wow, Corregidor! Ayan, say hi to the vlog, guys. Hello. Ayan. So, ang kailangan namin ditong gawin sa Corregidor is trekking ba? For 25 minutes. Huh? Nana sa inyo ang camera. Parak.
Okay, ma'am sir. Ma'am sir, group picture po muna tayo dito.
Okay, group picture. Hello guys. So, magsisimula ng ating 25-minute trek. Okay, 25-minute trek guys.
I'm so tired na.
So palang gani.
Yan ay shortcut dari ah.
Time? Okay, it's 9:17 a.m. in my watch. So, in your watch.
Hali ka bukat ka doon.
Ha?
Gusto mo nung butong kay ikaw ang bukat ka.
Gusto mo butong? Gusto ko og BJ. Buko juice. Chares.
3, go. Perfect, go. Catriona Gray. Go. I-video ko nimo ko. Nang, hilayin ako dagan na si oy.
Ano din? Wala, sige, hanga ko.
Luya ani niya.
Tumbling daw ya.
Jump shot. Kina! Puro man sa hangin. Happy birthday to you. Yay, wish. Yeah.
Finger actor, no?